The video begins by outlining the ongoing conflict between Iran and America. It highlights the geopolitical implications for India in navigating this tense situation. India faces significant diplomatic challenges, balancing relations with both nations. The economic implications for India include trade disruptions and market volatility. Trade relationships are impacted as India relies on both countries for resources. Energy security is a major concern due to India's dependency on Iranian oil. India's energy policies must adapt to potential shifts in oil supply chains. Diplomatically, India must strategically engage with both America and Iran. India employs a nuanced diplomatic approach to navigate complex international waters. Future-oriented policies may be key to maintaining stability and growth. The video concludes by evaluating India's long-term strategies and policies. India's future success may depend on its ability to adapt to shifting global dynamics.